This is a case and it's sold for holding 1.25-inch telescope eyepieces. So I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, MSRP is $40. They haven't paid me for my review, and my opinion remains my own. Alright, so inside the box we have a bubble wrap protected case. It feels very lightweight. There's certain amounts of flexing here, and it looks like there's aluminum extrusions around the edges, but these corners look like they might be plastic with chrome palating on top. There's a little piece of foam around the handle to, I guess, protect it from scratching against the case. I think that might be a plastic handle. Alright, so it comes with a key, which is really just kind of a flathead screwdriver with a little bit of keying on it. So it's not like a security lock, but it does have a latchy lock thing on it. And then in here there is some egg carton foam, and there's foam in here that has some pre-cut cutouts on it. So it looks like, you know, kind of a 1.25-inch hole, some places for eyepieces to go in, and then they have this piece which has two parts, so I guess you could pull out one part or both parts depending on how big it is. My understanding is you're supposed to put things like eyepieces in these guys, like a short one and two longer ones, and then some boxed filters in this guy, maybe a star diagonal. The cutout holes look to be approximately the right size for that. I don't know if I would want to pay the manufacturer suggested retail price on this. So it looks like it's made out of cardboard. These little panels here might be like aluminum, not foil, but like stamped aluminum, super thin on the outside with some type of a hard particle board or cardboard on the inside. Everything's riveted together. Some of the rivets are already showing what looks like corrosion or rust. And let's see, the foam on the bottom is maybe a 1/4 inch thick. So there's a little bit of protection down here, but not a whole bunch. A decent amount on the top. So if you had a kid's telescope and you wanted a way to keep some eyepieces, you could buy this and give it to them. I wouldn't pay the manufacturer recommended price though. So it does have a couple little rubber feet thing here. You know, I would say $10 maybe is the price point for this guy. That's what I'd be willing to pay for it. It's not horrible. It does have, you know, some rigidity here. The foam is kind of nice. I could see it, you know, working for the thing it's sold for, but the price seems to be much higher than the quality would demand here. So that's what you get with this particular case.